Hello students, today we will do the topic division. In this chapter, we will understand meaning of division, understand basic terms, division by repeated subtraction, division on a number line. First, let us understand meaning of division. Division means sharing things equally or dividing something into equal parts. This is the sign for division. We use this sign when we have to divide two numbers. We put this sign. Now let us understand division with an example. Suppose I have some almonds in my plate and I have these three toys. I have named them as she is Minnie, he is Tom and he is Sam. So I have to distribute these almonds equally among these people. So what will I do? I will give one almond to each of them one by one. Let's take, I have give one almond to Minnie, then to Tom, then to Sam. Still I have left with some almonds. So what will I do? I will give them again one more. So again one to Minnie, one to Tom and one to Sam. Again I have three almonds in my plate. What will I do? I will again give one more almonds to them. So 1, 2 and 3. Now my plate is empty. So what I have done? I have distributed all almonds among these three people. What I did? I divided almonds to them equally. So each of them got 3 almonds with them. See, Sam has 3 almonds. Tom also has 3 almonds. And Minnie also has 3 almonds with her. So what I did? I divided 9 almonds to 3 people equally. So each of them got 3 almonds. This is what division is. Now we will understand the second topic. Understand basic terms. Now we will learn 3 terms of division: dividend, divisor and quotient. In the previous example, what we did? We divided 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So what we did? We divided 9 almonds. So the almonds that we divided was dividend. That is, the total thing that we have to divide it is known as dividend. Then this is the sign for division. Now we divided these almonds among 3 toys. So these 3 toys were the divisors, that among which we have to divide something. So 3 is the divisor. But the number by which we have to divide is the divisor. Finally, the answer that we get is the quotient. That is, in our example, each toy got 3 almonds. So 3 was the quotient. These are the basic 3 terms of division: dividend, divisor and quotient. Dividend is the number that is to be divided. Divisor is the number by which we divide, and quotient is the answer that we get. Now we will understand our third topic: division by repeated subtraction. Now we will do the division of 12 divided by 3. We will do this division with repeated subtraction. In repeated subtraction, what we do? We subtract the divisor again and again till we get the answer as 0. Let us do it together. 12 divided by 3. So first we will write 12. From it we will subtract the divisor 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Then we bring this 9 downwards and write it here. Now again we will subtract the divisor from 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we will bring this down. 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now we will bring this again down. 3. Again we will subtract the divisor and subtract it. So we got our answer as 0. We subtract the divisor till we get the answer as 0. Now we will count the number of times we have subtracted the divisor. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have subtracted the divisor 4 times. So our answer will be 4. This is how we do repeated subtraction. We keep on subtracting the divisor from the dividend till we get the answer as 0. And then count the number of times we have subtracted the divisor. Now let us start division on a number line. Now we will do division with the help of a tortoise on the number line. We have to divide 10 by 2. So the tortoise will start with the number 10. Always remember, when we have to divide on the number line, we always start with the dividend. In this question, our dividend is 10. So we will start with the number 10. And now we have to divide it by 2. So we jump 2 numbers in the backward direction of the number line. You can say in the backward direction or on the left side of the number line. So we are on 10 and we have to divide it by 2. So the tortoise will jump 2 numbers backward. So the tortoise is on the number 10. Jumping 2 will make him reach to the number 8. We will mark this number 8. Then it will again jump 2 steps. So then it reached to the number 6. We will mark 6. Then again 2 steps. It will reach number 4. We will mark it. Then again 2 steps. It reached number 2. We will mark it. Then again 2 steps. So the tortoise reached to the number 0. Always remember, we keep on jumping till we reach to the number 0. Now we will count that how many jumps we have made. We have started from the number 10. So 1, this was our first jump. Then 2, then 3, then 4, and with the 5th jump we reached to the number 0. This was our 5th jump. So how many jumps we made? We made 5 jumps. So 5 is the answer. That is the quotient. This is how we do the division on number line. Today in the topic division, we understood meaning of division with the help of toys and almonds. Second, understand basic terms. We understood about 3 basic terms of division: dividend, divisor and quotient. Third, division by repeated subtraction. We learn how to do division with the help of repeated subtraction. And fourth, division on a number line. We understood number line with the help of a tortoise. We will continue the chapter division in our next class.